All right, how you guys doing? Woo! Today we're gonna make a great white shark puppet. So I hope you guys are ready. And then get your papers, colors, markers, whatever you want to use, and let's get started. First of all, you can use a plain copy paper, just like this, real thin, easy to fold. So what you're gonna do is first, we're gonna go ahead and fold it in half. Yeah, just get it like this, and then go ahead and make sure you get the corners. Don't gotta be too perfect, just get it close enough. Like that. Then you're gonna go ahead and get half of this that you fold right here, the fold, and then you're gonna go ahead and fold that back this way, half also, just like that. Get the other side and repeat the same process. Oh yeah. Once you get it to the corners. Like I said, don't have to be too perfect. All right. Yeah. There we go. So it looks like this, like an M, or a W. Ooh, W. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead. Once you fold it like this, right? Open one side up, only one side. See, the other side stays folded. See right there? Okay, and put it down like that. Okay. Now, we're gonna grab our marker, pen, pencil, whatever you want to use, Then, right up here on the top of the first, where the fold is, okay, what you're gonna want to do is make a circle, like half a circle, okay? Just go like this, like that, half a circle. And then on the bottom of the other fold, you're gonna do the other half a circle, like that, okay? Then we're gonna put some eyes, small ones right here, okay? Color them in, just like that. Do another one on the other side. There you go. Then we'll put the little holes right here for the nose. Yeah. Then we're gonna put this like this, right on the bottom. There's like a upside down smiley face, huh? But that's his belly right there. All right. Then right here, we're gonna put a fin like this, like a V shape, kind of rounded a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. Okay. And on top, we're gonna put another upside down V shape, but with a point. That's gonna be the top fin. You see that? Yeah. All right. See, and that makes our shark, white shark. Okay. Now, we're not through yet. We still got more to go. Now you want to open it up like this. You see? So you got the fins on the bottom and the big one and the top fin on top. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this from right here and you're gonna connect it with this line down here. Okay? So go ahead and bring it down like this. Same thing on the other side. Same process. Okay, all right. Now right here where this fold is, the first fold on top, you're gonna wanna make a line going across. Not all the way, so it doesn't touch. Leave a little open spot here and here. Same thing down here, okay? Go all the way across, like that. Then go ahead and connect them, just like this. Oh yeah, Look at that. He's already starting to look like a white shark with big mouth. But he's missing teeth. We need to put some teeth on him. But before we do that, we're going to do the tongue. Right here in the center fold, you're going to do the tongue like this. It's going to be like a round type heart, like that. Then on the top up here, you're going to do this little round thing, just like a little punching bag. And then bring it around like this and connect it here. Same thing on the other side and connect it here. There you go. See? He's got a tongue. Now, teeth. All you want to do is put some big old V-shaped type W's, whatever you want to call it. But these are teeth. Big teeth. He's a big fish. He's got to have big teeth. Hey, yeah. Same thing with the bottom. Big teeth. Ooh, scary. Yeah. Ooh, don't want to be in the water with this guy. There we go. You see? What do you think? Pretty good? Oh, yeah. Look at that. White shark. But we ain't done yet. Now we got to do the next important part of it. And what is that? Color. That's right. We have to color them. Let's start off by coloring them. Up here at the top, we're going to go ahead and color the fin. There we go. See? Down here too. I'm going to color all this here. All right. Woo. Now we're going to add little fishes around here, okay? Here we go. You can make it like a circle like this and add a little triangle like this. Make it easy. Yeah, look at that. Little circle like this and a little triangle like this. You can make as many as you want. He's your puppet. Do as many as you want. I'm gonna do 3. All right, now let's add the bubbles. Fishes make bubbles. Yeah, all you gotta do is make a circle like this and then color them, but leave a little bit of a circle that's white, okay? For like a little reflection off the bubbles, all right? Make them small, big, however size you want. If you want to make them even bigger, you can. Just make the circle even bigger. As long as you remember, leave that little white spot like that. Yeah, see? There you go. Get all them bubbles. Because another one over here for this fishy. Can't forget about him. There we go. Look at that. Another one over here for the big white shark. Yeah, there we go. Put this one in like it's in the background. There you go. There we go. See? Nice, right? There you go. Then you're going to take it and you're going to fold it back in half again like this. Take this piece back to the top. Here you go. See? So it looks like this. And then all of a sudden he goes, rah! Rawr! Look at this shark. Rawr! Yeah. Then you can fold the other side, the bottom one back, like this. See? Then open it up, hold it from the back like this. Put your fingers on top, like this, and one on the bottom. And hold them like this. See? So when you go, you open it, go rawr, rawr, rawr. Yeah? Rawr, rawr. There you go. There's your white shark. I want some fish. Ha ha ha. Yeah. So how you guys doing? Don't forget, press like and subscribe. Or I'm gonna come get you. Dun, dun, ya, 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 ya. All right. Well, hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Woo! Talk to y'all later. Bye. Thumbs up.